Hello everyone, here is Top Chinese. I'm Gloria 老師。According to how I wear today, you must know we are going to learn how to tell people your country, 國家 in Mandarin. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to Chinese with Gloria and remember to click the bell. Let's start ancient countries first. 中國 China. 日本 Japan. You see, 日本 their flag look like a sun. We call sun as 日. So for Japan, we call it as 日本 Japan. 韓國 Korea. And about where I live in is 泰國 Thailand. So Thai and Thai is similar. Around Thailand is 越南 wetland. And 新加坡 Singapore. 馬來西亞 Malaysia. 印尼 Indonesia, but this is his short name. We should also call it as 印度尼西亞 菲律賓 Philippines. And the country that I visit this summer is 印度 India. And the country near India is 尼泊爾 Nepal. And the friends of China is 巴基斯坦 Pakistan. And the country that I think must have lots of hottie, it should be Iran. And there is another place where I really want to visit is 土耳其 Turkey. For European countries, the first country that I really want to go is Finland, where there is the best education system there. 瑞典 Sweden. 俄羅斯 Russia. And the country near Russia is Ukraine, where lots of Chinese guys would like to marry a beautiful wife from there. It's 烏克蘭 Ukraine. For the Central European country is 德國 Germany. 奧地利 Austria. And for the western parts of European country is 英國 the United Kingdom. 荷蘭 Netherlands. This one is very difficult for me to remember as English name because it's totally different. 荷蘭 Netherlands. Why? 法國 France. 比利時 Belgium. For the south part of European country is 意大利 Italy. 希臘 Greece. 西班牙 Spain. And for the North America is
加拿大，加拿大。
Canada. 美國，美國 America. Some friends who has already learned a little bit Chinese must know that 美 in Chinese is beautiful. So if it's easy for you to remember it, you could think about it as we call it 美國 as a beautiful country. 美 beautiful. 墨西哥，墨西哥 Mexico. 阿根廷，阿根廷 Argentina. 巴西，巴西 Brazil. 智利，智利 Chile. And for Africa country that I know is 埃及，埃及 Egypt. 烏干達，烏干達 Uganda. 利比亞，利比亞 Libya. And last but not least, we have focused on 澳大利亞，澳大利亞 or 澳洲，澳洲 Australia. And 新西蘭，新西蘭 New Zealand. So normally when you meet some Chinese friends, they will ask you, Where are you from? 你來自哪裡？你來自哪裡？ Where are you from? Or they will ask you, Which countries are you from? 你來自哪個國家？你來自哪個國家？你 you 來自 come from 哪個 which 國家 country 你來自哪個國家 or in short they will ask 你是哪國人？你是哪國人？ Which countries are you from? Then you could answer 我是美國人，我是美國人。I'm from America. Sometimes our friends will be a little bit confused because we want to know our Chinese friends, which parts are they from? So we could ask, 你老家是哪裡的？你老家是哪裡的？你 you 老家 hometown 是 is 哪裡哪裡的 where 你老家是哪裡的 But sometimes if you want to speak it more fluently, you could say 你老家是哪兒的 Where is your hometown? For me, I'm from Guangdong. Then I will told you 我老家是廣東的我老家是廣東的 My hometown is Guangdong province. And you know, some people maybe they are from Sichuan. And then they will answer you, said, 我老家是四川的我老家是四川的 My hometown is Sichuan. Hey, just now we have a